So I have my trusty Yu-Gi-Oh mat here ready to unbox the HomePod. So I'm going to pull it out for you. And there it is. First impressions is pretty heavy. It's not light at all. It's really weighty. That's the front of the box. This is the side, the Apple logo right there. Look on the top. Kind of like mimics what the iPod or the HomePod is going to look like. Here's the bottom of it. Shout out to my mother who threw in a few bucks for me to get this. I appreciate it and I love you so much. So we're going to open it up right now. There's a little tab here in the front right here. As you can see, you pull that open. I think it just opens the plastic off of the box just like that. Cool. I did bring my trusty knife just in case I need to cut something open, but a lot of these Apple products just like come off pretty easy. So let me get this plastic out of the way. So this is the box. We're gonna pull it off the top. It looks like it's just your typical Apple product, which is just a box with a product inside and cool cases. So that's the inside of it right there. Little dome to protect, to keep it safe. I got the black model instead of the white one. I'm gonna pull it up and out. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. Feel that. It's weighty. That's the one thing. The mesh is pretty tight. It feels pretty good. Here's the bottom of it. It has the cool Apple logo. It's like really soft rubber that's around the base of it, so it doesn't have to mess up your furniture or scratch anything. And also probably helps with like the acoustics. You know, when the bass gets heavy and it starts vibrating, the rubber kind of like absorbs some of that shaking. Here's the top of it. It's really shiny. So what we'll do is we'll just take off that plastic. Kind of the best feeling in the world is when you just take off that new plastic. But that also means that you can scratch that. So that's what we have. It's pretty straightforward. We have a cord here. It's pretty lengthy. Let's take this apart and let's start looking at what we have here. So, little cardboard thing for the cord. The cord is kind of like a cool little braided thing. It feels really nice. Plug feels really cool. Doesn't look like your typical Apple plug. It's a little bit more styling for like the home. And then deep inside this little cubby hole right here, we have the Apple instruction manual. We'll pull it out. Some nifty little thing. Right here shows you how to hook it up. Who ripped it? 3 easy steps. That's pretty good. All you do is connect it to the Wi-Fi, turn the Bluetooth on, and then it connects to your phone, and then it just automatically syncs, and then you're all done. Then you just ask Siri to play the music. Maybe I'll do a little demonstration. Free sticker as always. I kind of dig that when companies give you stickers in the boxes. Even though I never put it on anything, I just like the fact that they give you a sticker. And then there's the instruction manual. So I'm not going to read any of these stuff because we don't do that on this channel. But let's just kind of look at this stuff a little bit more. So it's just a circular device. Supposedly there's like 7 speakers in an array, or I think 7 mics in an array, and then there's like 8 speakers, and there's like a bass, and then there's little tweeters and all this stuff. It's pretty advanced. Ooh, I just barely pressed it, a little fingerprint right there. So I might need to have a little cloth next to it so I can get it cleaned up pretty quick. Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward, and from what I heard from the reviews is that the acoustics is really it's really good for this device. I mean, it's premium. You can't hook up Spotify to it or any other streaming services. It's just strictly Apple Music, this house. And then as you saw on my channel, all of the stuff is pretty much Apple. So that means that it's going to work perfectly fine in my home. But then if you're not an Apple person and you're like Samsung, Android, and all that other stuff, Windows, you know, it's not going to really be effective for you. But if you're into like the Apple products, you know, this is what I consider to be a must buy, especially if you listen to Apple Music, which I do. And I got the what is it called? The AirPods is what they call their little wireless earbuds. those things are awesome. I totally like them. I recommend them. I'll probably do a little bit of review on that, and I'll do a review on this. But so far, this is the unboxing of the HomePod. It's pretty cool. Looks pretty nifty. I want to plug this in, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of demonstration. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We have it set up in the living room right here. So what we're doing is listening to the HomePod, and it sounds pretty good. And it has the Siri integration into it. From what I heard, it's not the greatest, but it does what you need to do. But if you're a music file, it sounds pretty awesome. Hey Siri, what time is it?
The time is 7:22 p.m.
Pretty cool. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.